Hi guys, good day to all of you. Today we're going to have a tutorial about enrolling a biller in your bank. This is an example for my bank. I enrolled my Meralco bill into my BPI bank, or Bank of the Philippine Islands. So let's start the tutorial and learn.
Okay, so guys, in this part, on your desktop, go to your browser and then open this link online.bpi.com.ph. There you go, that's the website and that's the login page of BPI. Just go to your login page of your bank and then just log in your account, online account there, and then go on it. There it is. That's my account, online account. I just go to other services and try to go to recipients and then manage recipients. There it is. That all are my biller accounts, and I'm going to add another biller account. For example, I'm going to select billers, and then on my biller I will search Meralco. I will enroll a new Meralco account and just search Meralco and then select the Meralco biller, and then in the reference number you're going to input the account number of your biller. You will see it on your payment bill. Just check it and check the account number and input it in your reference number, and after that just click the button next. There you go, that's the details, you see, and just click confirm. A notification on the website will going to pop up, and then it will require you to input something on it. It's an OTP or a one-time password or one-time PIN. It will be sent to your mobile number, and then input the 6 numbers on it and click the button submit. There it is. The enrollment was successful and you're good to go. The biller is enrolled now and it's already done. So just as simple as that, you'll see that the new enrolled biller account is in my list. You can see it already. The update is quick and the enrollment is easy and user-friendly. It's a great example for this tutorial in my bank account in BPI, and it's easy already for you to pay your biller. Just what you see on my bank account. There is it, guys. The tutorial is finished already, and thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you learn and I hope you use it when you're going to pay your bill, your payment bills.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you learn and enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a good day.